Welcome. Our topic is how to use the Jamboard to add an interactive whiteboard to your Canvas course the easy way. Step 1. Log into your Google account, go to Google Apps and click the icon as indicated by the red arrow. Step 2. Look for the Jamboard icon and click as indicated by the arrow. Step 3. After clicking the Jamboard icon, your screen will look like this. In this case I have one jam created indicated by the green arrow. This is an old jam. Since we want to create a new jam, look for the plus sign at the right corner of your screen and click, as indicated by the red arrow. Step 4. After clicking the plus sign, you have now an untitled jam which you can rename for whatever title you want for your Jamboard. You can try it for yourself, to see how the different tools work for you indicated by the arrows. Have fun trying the different tools. Step 5. After familiarizing with the different tools in Jamboard, now is the time to create your own sample Jamboard and connect it to your Canvas LMS. To connect, click the Share button. Step 6. Time to share. Click the copy link as indicated by the arrow. Do not change the setting yet. We will try to use our sample jam to our Canvas course. Log in to your Canvas account. Step 7. How to link your Jamboard to your Canvas course. 1. Go to your Canvas page where you want to put your Jamboard link. 2. Click Insert. 3. Click Link. 4. Click External Links. Step 8. After tapping the external links, there are two text boxes displayed, the text and the link text box. For the text, this is optional. On the link text box, this is where you can paste the copied link from step 6. Step 9. After the paste operation, the link is already displayed on the link text box. Click Done, and then click the Save button. Step 10. After clicking the Save button, you are now connected to your created Jamboard. Time for you to click the link displayed on your page. Have fun and have a happy Jamboarding. If you are new to this channel, please click subscribe, like, share and the notification bell, so that you will be notified for new videos that we are going to upload. Thank you for watching.